Hi, can I help?
Yes, a birthday cake.
For how many people?
About 12 people.
A 10-inch cake?
That sounds perfect.
Flavor?
Chocolate, please.
Is it for a party?
A surprise party.
How fun!
She loves chocolate.
Any writing on it?
Happy birthday, Sarah.
What color?
Pink writing.
Any decorations?
What do you have?
Flowers or sprinkles?
Pink flowers, please.
Real or icing?
Icing flowers.
Great choice.
When is it ready?
Tomorrow at noon.
The party is at 6 p.m.
Plenty of time.
Needs refrigeration?
Yes, until serving.
How much is it?
$45.
Here's 50.
Here is your change.
See you tomorrow.
Hi, looking for party supplies?
Yes, for a birthday.
Who is it for?
My wife.
Happy birthday to her.
It is a surprise.
What color theme?
Pink and gold.
Classic choice.
I need balloons.
How many?
20 balloons.
Helium or regular?
Helium is fun.
You need a banner too.
Happy birthday banner?
Yes, pink and gold.
Perfect match.
Want some streamers?
What are those?
Colorful paper strips.
Yes, sounds fun.
Need paper plates?
Yes, easy to clean.
Total is $32.
Here you go.
Enjoy the party.
I cannot wait.
Did you find everything?
Almost. Where are the chips?
Aisle 4,
I need dip too.
right next to them.
Perfect. Thank you.
Having a party?
Yes, a surprise party.
That sounds exciting.
Do you have cheese platters?
In the deli section.
Great. And crackers?
Aisle 6.
I need plenty.
Anything to drink?
Lemonade and sparkling water.
Aisle 2 for drinks.
Need some fresh fruit.
Strawberries are on sale.
Perfect. And grapes?
Red or green?
Both, please.
Good choices.
That should be enough.
Total is $40.
Here's my card.
Have a great party.
Thanks for your help.
Welcome. Need some flowers?
Yes, for my wife.
What does she like?
Sunflowers.
A big bouquet?
Yes, a big one.
How about mixed?
Mixed with what?
Pink roses?
Yes, pink is perfect.
They match together.
Need a vase too?
We have glass vases.
I will take one.
Add baby's breath?
What is that?
Small white flowers.
Yes, very pretty.
Here is your bouquet.
It is beautiful.
She will love it.
I hope she cries.
Happy tears.
Definitely happy tears.
$55, please.
Here you go.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Hello? Tom?
Hi, Emily. How is the planning?
Almost done. Need any help?
Yes, call people.
Who is left?
The neighbors mostly.
I can call them.
That helps a lot.
What time again?
6 o'clock sharp.
Everyone hides first?
Yes, lights off.
Then she walks in?
We shout surprise.
I love it.
Park down the street.
So she suspects nothing?
Exactly.
Smart thinking.
No posting on social media.
Secret until tonight.
She will be shocked.
It will be epic. I will start calling.
Thank you, Emily.
I am here.
Thanks for coming, Emily.
Let's start decorating.
Can you hang this?
The banner?
Yes, above the door.
Higher or lower?
A little higher.
Looks perfect there.
Now the balloons.
Where do they go?
Around the living room.
Pink and gold?
Yes, her favorites.
They look so cute.
And the streamers.
Hang on the ceiling?
Yes, twist them.
This room looks amazing.
The cake is hidden.
In the fridge?
Yes, plates are ready.
Paper plates? Good choice.
Easy to clean.
What time is it?
5:30.
Guests are arriving soon.
Keep the lights off.
Everyone needs to hide.
I am so nervous.
Open the door.
I am opening it.
It is dark inside.
That is weird.
Why are the lights off?
Let me check.
Did we forget?
Surprise!
Oh my God!
Happy birthday!
I cannot believe this.
Are you surprised?
Totally.
You knew nothing?
Not a thing.
Everyone is here.
Best surprise ever.
Look at the cake.
Chocolate with pink flowers
Your favorite.
and sunflowers.
I got you both.
I am crying.
Happy tears only.
Yes, happy tears.
Make a wish.
Already came true.
Blow out the candles.
Done. Let's eat. So many presents.
Open this one first.
Who is it from?
Emily and Mark.
It is heavy.
Rip the paper.
A cookbook.
Italian cooking.
I love Italian food.
Now the red box.
From the neighbors?
Yes, open it.
A candle set.
Does it smell good?
Lavender and vanilla.
Very nice.
This tiny box?
That is for me.
Small boxes are the best.
Open it up.
Oh my God!
Do you like it?
It is a necklace.
Gold with a diamond.
It is beautiful.
Let me put it on.
How does it look?
Absolutely stunning.
Thank you so much.
You deserve it all.
What a night.
You had fun?
So much fun.
Guests just left.
The house is quiet.
And messy.
We will clean tomorrow.
Good idea.
The decorations were perfect.
Pink and gold.
My favorite colors.
I know you well.
The cake was amazing.
Best bakery in town.
I love my necklace.
It matches your eyes.
So cheesy.
But true.
Everyone came.
They all love you.
You kept the secret?
The hardest secret ever.
I am so grateful.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you for everything.
I love you.
I love you too.